Where does this come from? I read a book once where someone said that we want to redo childhood. Is that where this longing for connection come from?
Yeah, connection. That is a big topic. Where does that come from? Interesting about connection is that not just connection, but relationship.
Yes.
Relationship is not something that we try to find. It's not something that we try to do. Our being is relationship. The whole creation is relationship. Relationship is part of the fiber of the whole creation. In every tree, in every atom, in every part of your body, the way that your heart works together with your lungs, the way that the tree works together with the river, the way that the moon works together with the earth. On a very core level, our being is relationship. So that relationship is not something that you do. It's not something that's happening when you get in the church and you get married. We are born in relationship. We are relationship. Our being is relationship. It's so part of our fiber of our being that we want to express that. We want to live that. The question, where does it come from? It was there forever. It's not just the Christian religion, but all religions go back to the same story. In the beginning, there was paradise. It's not like my one daughter think that paradise is a place of lots of cool drink and ice cream and chocolates and stuff. The biblical perspective of paradise is that everything was in a relationship with everything. God and man was in a relationship. We could be naked. We don't need to hide anything. Man and man was in a relationship. Man and nature, man and self, everything is in a relationship. And that is our natural state, our original state. So a relationship is much more than just getting married. It's much more than just being in the same room. It's part of our truth. And that's probably why it's so painful when we are not in a relationship. Like if I love running, but what I think I can do, what my body wants to do is not the same thing. So I'm regularly in some pain, my knees or my ankles or something. But if my knee pain is just that my knee, there's pain there. I know I need to run less or more, have a different technique. But when there's pain between me and Anita, when there's a relationship pain, that pain is different because it disturbs a truth of creation, truth, a God-given truth that we are relational beings. Because of that kind of depth of who we are, relationship pain is really, really painful.